Rapid response is required. 12 trillion tokens of Shiba Inus. Today's Shib news. The price of Shiba Inu has dropped by another 3% during the last day, yet it is still the most valuable cryptocurrency among Ethereum whales. Even the most popular cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, have seen their value drastically decrease over the last several months. Shib, though, has had it the roughest recently. We'll be covering the urgent topic of 12 trillion Shiba Inu tokens in this video. Today's Shib news. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Shiba Inu has lost 3% of its value during the last day and is now worth around $0.0000795. The most recent graph shows how the asset's value has changed over the previous month. This last month of the year has not been kind to Shib holders, as the graph indicates that the coin's value has decreased by about 15% over the last 30 days. Bitcoin, on the other hand, gained 1% within the same time frame. Dogecoin, a competitor cryptocurrency, has down 28% over the previous month, roughly twice the decrease seen by Shiba Inu. Investors in Shib have lost almost 3% of their money this week. Meme coin holders may still have reason to be optimistic about 2019, despite the fact that crypto is having a poor finish to a miserable year, with the currency losing more than 77% of its value. The Ethereum whale tracker Whalestats shows that Shiba Inu is still the owner of the largest of 5,000 Ethereum whales. These whales have $46.7 million worth of Shib, or around 2% of their total assets. Stable coins make up the bulk of their supply. When compared to the $1 billion in Shib these whales had earlier this year, this sum seems somewhat little. But it's also true that they have kept reserves of other currencies, even as the demand for those coins has plummeted. Their prioritization of Shib suggests that they still see a high value on retaining the meme currency, which might be positive for its price. As a result of its recent slump in value, Shiba Inu has fallen off the list of top cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Shiba Inu was formerly the 13th most valuable currency. However, it has fallen off the list entirely and is now at number 15. The year 2024 will soon arrive, and the Shiba Inu community is optimistic. As enthusiasm grows for the project as a whole, the Shib coin is doomed to experience the worst of the crypto winter of 2023. Lead developer Satoshi Kazama rushed to Twitter to reassure players that Shibarium was on the way, but that it wouldn't be out in time for the holiday celebrations. He goes on to say that the next year will be pivotal for all of mankind. Shibarium's release date is hinted to be 2024. The Shiba Inu group is working on a Layer 2 scaling solution called Shibarium. Many users in the community insist that Shibarium is ready right now, while the developers insist that they need more time before they can deploy. Others think it will take longer because Satoshi, who prefers to remain unidentified, is a chronic procrastinator. A purported screenshot of a January 2023 Discord chat from Satoshi has been making the rounds, in which the user promises to reveal their true name before the end of the year. Due to its widespread acceptance, the Shiba Inu meme coin is now accepted at a wide variety of establishments. GameStop and Nordstrom accept Shib payments via Flixa, and the meme currency may be used to tip broadcasters on Twitch. While Now Payments, a cryptocurrency payment gateway, is working to get streaming services like Netflix and Spotify to take Shiba Inu, the cryptocurrency's huge concentration of tokens in so-called whale wallets poses risks for merchants. The whales on board control about 70% of the Shib supply and might further hurt the price if they choose to sell in bulk. Shibarium and the Shiba Inu Burn Portal are two new features for the breed that are scheduled for release in 2024. Shibarium is a second-layer blockchain that may increase the scalability of the Ethereum network used by Shiba Inu. dApps, NFTs, and DeFi initiatives based on the Shiba Inu will be possible with Shibarium. On Twitter, Shiba Inu's main developer, Shintoshi Kazama, said that the game's new currency, Shibarium, will be released in the first quarter of 2024. As for the Shiba Inu Burn portal, it should launch in 2024 as well. Shiba Inu owners will have the option of destroying their vessel in exchange for a steady stream of cash. Shiba Inu prices will spike as a result of both releases, so stock up just before the announcements. What if you spent $100 on Shiba Inus today and the price dropped to $1 in 2024? Your investment portfolio has increased in value to $10.8 million. What a huge amount of money. There are two key reasons why the Shiba Inu is probably not. Not many Shiba Inu tokens are being burned, and few people see a bull market happening until 2025. Shiba Inu is an exciting new development, but like the Ethereum blockchain that the project is built around, Shiba Inus can be taught new tricks. The Shib token's functionality has been expanded thanks to additional features introduced to the project. Users may now do things like utilize the platform's decentralized exchange to buy and sell cryptocurrency and conduct metaverse exploration. These new applications are anticipated to raise demand for Shiba Inu tokens, which will drive up their prices and hence the token's market worth. Shiba Inu's price is down before the new year, much like the rest of the market. As Shib trades at $0.830, buyers have established their camp at $0.08. The range of demand between $0.771 to $0.822 is maybe where a recovery will begin. The stochastic oscillator has been showing oversold conditions recently, suggesting the Shiba Inu price may be on the verge of a comeback. In addition, a falling wedge pattern has developed, suggesting that the long-term downturn in 2023 Shib will soon cease. As a bullish pattern, the falling wedge indicates that prices are likely to go upward in the near future. In order to confirm a 66% increase to $0.15, traders must wait for Shiba Inu to break above the top trend line. In many cases, this objective is praise-it and pinpoint accurate, calculated by squaring the distance between the widest spots after adjusting for the breakout point. A comeback is certain as demand grows in support of the token, leading investors to lock in their gains. When the MV/RV ratio rises over the trend line, it indicates that Shib's price has increased relative to its value. Based on the sentiment data on the blockchain, Shib whale and shark addresses are efficient. On September 1st, addresses holding between $1 million and $10 million Shiba Inu had 963% of the overall supply. Today, that number has increased to 985%. The increase from $10 million to $100 million in annual revenue has been mirrored in the addresses. The percentage of Shib held at this level of investment has increased from 0.2% to 0.2040% during the same time period. Investors seem to have a favorable perspective on the Shiba Inu price, as seen by the surge in demand for meme coins. With a likely rise in 2024, individual investors may think about getting back into the market and ignoring the apparently interminable crypto winter. Even if the network's burn rate has decreased by 71.26%, it may take some time for the Shiba Inu price to begin an upward trend. Shibburn.com reports that in the last 24 hours, 12 million Shib tokens have been destroyed. The token burn initiative has destroyed $410 trillion in tokens. Shiba Inu has a total supply of $562 trillion, a circulating supply of $562 trillion, and a staked supply of $26 trillion. Even if the rate of combustion has slowed in the last day, it will likely speed again as we enter 2019. In addition, the ecosystem is excited about the impending release of Shibarium, a protocol designed to facilitate quicker and cheaper transactions. After many delays this year, the primary developer of the Shibarium network has indicated that the network may finally debut in the first quarter of 2023. The release of Shibarium has prompted hopes among investors that a price increase for Shiba Inus would follow shortly. Thus, investors may choose to buy Shib at a discount in anticipation of a possible positive surge. the first quarter of 2024 might see a surge in the price of Shiba Inus. Pre-sales of newer projects, however, may pique the curiosity of investors. These coins have solid foundations, which should lead to price increases after their first exchange listings. A few, such as Dash 2 Trade, are already ahead of schedule on the roadmap's development plan and will begin trading in January. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.